Maximum trigger range. Oh, that's the thing that pops the eggs. Max fuel. Max health, regen, move speed. Damage all blade skills. Magazine size. Let's. I don't like playing as the other mech as much. It swirls with the blades. I don't like the cleaver skill really. And it has railgun, which should be cool, but isn't. Okay, let's try these feather blade things. Maybe we'll try some blades here. These are weird too. They shoot out those feathers and then they stick there on the ground and do damage. Swamsh. Detonator. Scatter shot and mortar. Detonators for explosive weapons, which I guess we'll just take mortar again. Which now we have one, but cleaver. Do we get the other? We don't have a choice to take a passive here, so we're kind of hecked up. Here, we'll take the cleaver, I guess. Why not? Ain't alright. This is it. Whoomp. 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 Squimsh. Fudge. Lucky Charm increases crit, and it can do other stuff too. I guess we'll have the borders. Ow. Stop hitting me. Get squished. Let's go ahead and upgrade feather blades. After landing, blades create a damaging area. There's the cooldown and projectile lifetime. So they shoot out faster, but they don't last as long. Increase count of all blade skills. You know what? We have 2 blade skills, so now that's what we're getting. Womp womp. Knock knock. Womp womp. Womp womp. Womp womp. Womp womp. Womp womp. Arsenal. Okay, let's take that. This is a all damage passive. 20%. So there's our loadout for this run. This one's so far. We're on the right edge of the map, basically. I hope they add more skills and stuff, and more characters or all sorts of stuff. Such a cool game, though. Swimsh. You know what? Let's upgrade sword, I guess. Increase damage 50%. I mean, how do you say no to that? What if you just had a third blade, effectively? Bump, bump. Bump, bump. Bump, bump. Also, I appreciate when, in the description names, how well they're written. Like, it'll say local or global. So global will affect everything of that type. Local is only that skill. Or it'll specify, like, launcher or blades. Oh, what do I want? I don't know. Blades move toward one more random enemy before they land. Ooh. Ooh. Increase their area. But that is so small. I need a bigger area now on my sword. Wider blades, yes. There we go. Oh heck. Hello, friends. All of the fuel. Give me the fuel. I take the big sippy. Ooh, we got a boss. We got a boss. I wish you could hit the boss. Oh, don't touch me. Okay. I wish you could squish the boss. I think I kind of like the movement speed. I don't want to get hit. Womp womp womp. 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 Get out of here. Fetid blades. Even more, even more. Launcher skill cooldown, so that would be for my things. First one is extra damage. Sure, I guess. We have so many swords. Sometimes you must prove your point with a blade or add some, I don't know. Pum 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 pum. Pum 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 pum. Pum 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 pum. Pum 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 pum. That has Dock of 4 swords is enough, yeah. There's enough for Link. But is it enough for me? I guess I'll upgrade some Gatling gun. Let's get some ricochet. Oh, it's a shame we didn't get this last time when we had the spinny one. We're using so much more fuel because we have 3 skills and no pacemaker. I guess we had 3 skills last time too, right? I want to like the railgun skill. I'll try and get it. I'll play the other bot on the next run and try and get that. There's a... Ooh, here we go. That's the feather blades. Dancing blades, yeehaw. I want to like it, but I haven't so far, but we'll see. Maybe I can figure out how to use it. Squish. More feather blades. I want to see its upgrade. Dancing blade. Sure. They're bouncing everywhere. Uh-oh, we're approaching the next big wave. Hey, Yuri. It is, it is. You know me. I'm not obsessed. I don't have problems. You're cute. Bonk. Uh-oh, right. I already forgot about that. I just mentioned it and I already forgot. Oh, we're dealing with these buttheads handily though. It's fine. Ow. Can I get the max upgrade? Oh no, I still need... Let's see, so now they have a little area instead of just running into the blades themselves cause damage. So there's all this overlap. Especially if the ricocheting, they can get right into the middle of the group. This seems like it's doing a lot of damage. I did not think much of the feather blades before, and yet, here we are. It's doing some work. We respect Tiny Knife, that's right. Okay, are you gonna give me the evolution? The fancy thing? They are. Return of Blades. Once you try to learn any... Sure, why not? Hell yeah. Yoink! Cool. I'll take it, I'll take it. Now they're just flying every which way. Yoinky splunky! You can't say that. That is illegal. Highly illegal. There's no yoinky splunky damage going on here. Don't make me make my City Heroes character named Yoinky Splunky. What do I even want? Cleaver or Gatling gun? Someone choose. Someone choose for me. Knife, okay. We'll go in knife, Knifetopia. I guess I'll take the 30% damage, but I want to grow my area again. It's so tiny now. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. My fuel, please. I'm very thirsty. I'm a thirsty girl and a thirsty robot. Give me my sippies, please. Thank you. We'll do area. Oof. I like how the HUD changes when you get the when you get overcharged. It's very cool. I'd like to see what the Gatling gun up there is. I don't think I've seen it. I've seen the knife on the other character. Squish! Hell yeah, that was such a good squish! No, I think you need at least... Oh, you need 6, it says up there. Okay. That's smart. More damage, I guess. We do be up to 26. Ow. The knife exclusive? What do you think it is? Hopefully we can get that next. More knives or shoot like one of those is a pretty good guess. Uh-oh. I do need to be careful. Oh, they're not giving me knife choice! What the heck? They are giving me fuel. I mean, I guess this is still 50% extra damage on itself. That's not bad. Alright, give me my knife. 40 fucking meters? Holy shit. I keep running out of fuel. Please give fuel. I gotta be a little more aggressive here, I guess. I still gotta be careful though. They're using so much. Oh, and we got a boss. We got. No! No! Fudge.